The Pro Thunder V8 is a revolutionary binary options indicator. It's the Metatrader 5 indicator for binary options, and it's the first indicator based on artificial intelligence and neural networks. There is no lag, no delay, no repaint, means the best of all you need. Generates high quality, unmistakable buy and sell signals. Now, let's talk about Pro Thunder V8 benefits. It offers a lifetime license, which means you don't need to worry about paying any extra fees for updates. After testing, we achieved up to an 80% win rate. It generates daily 120 to 150 signals, and it works with 16 major currency pairs, operating 24 hours around the clock. The accuracy and success rate unlock an impressive 80% win rate with Pro Thunder V8. Its neural network deciphers chart patterns, historical data, and market conditions to deliver precise signals, making it a game-changing tool for traders. Pro Thunder V8 was created by two military robotics experts, bringing military-grade precision to trading. With 28 indicators, neural networks, 2 decades of historical data, and chart pattern recognition, it's your way to get higher win rate signals. Plus, these signals come straight from our online server, so you never miss a trade. It's the perfect blend of military precision and advanced trading technology. No laptop, no problem. Mobile push notifications through MD5 mobile application available for Android and iOS devices. Email alerts. We have Telegram private group for Pro Thunder V8 alerts, so you never miss any signals and trade. Arrow signals on the chart and sound alerts. A trading plan is a must-have for any trader who wants to increase their chances of success. It helps to remove emotions from trading decisions, increase discipline, improve risk management, and increase profitability. We have developed a trading plan creation tool on our website, www.ss7trader.com. Here, you can input your trading starting amount, pause, and specify how much you wish to withdraw weekly from your profit. Next, indicate your daily target percentage, pause again, and finally, select the number of weeks you'd like in your plan.so. Once you've filled in all these details, you will have the complete trading plan you've been searching for. The Pro Thunder V8 is a comprehensive package, and it includes everything you need. Most importantly, our support team is available 24 hours a day to assist you. Our team can also guide you through the installation of the indicator. We provide a tutorial video and a complete PDF book that covers everything about Pro Thunder V8. Now, I'm going to speed up the video, and you'll witness some live, real account trading with Pro Thunder V8. At the end of the video, I'll share some reviews from our clients who have benefited from using Pro Thunder V8 and SS7 Trader services. Get the Pro Thunder V8 exclusively from our website, www.ss7trader.com. Thanks for watching.
Sleep, yeah. Only miss you when I'm breathing in too deep, yeah. Am I just your little secret? I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my name. It hits me like a tidal wave. It hits me like a tidal wave. A tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Tidal wave. Patient on the shoreline. Now you're leaving, but I know you got your reasons too. I didn't hear the sirens. I didn't wanna see the warning signs, and now I pay the price, yeah. Oh, I should've known. It hits me like a tidal wave every time you say my
7trader services. I'm Fabian Portman. I live in Switzerland, and I trade at the moment with the Thunder binary indicator V6, like the updated indicator. And I just wanted to say it's one of the best thing out here in the trading market.
Today I'm gonna make a review audio video of my trades and profit for the day using the indicator. This is my profit for the day and trades for the day. Today I made around $500. 2 of them are my own trades and the rest using the Pro Thunder V8. The Thunder V8 is great.
This is my first time taking the VIP signal by SS7, and my balance is in profit now on, and the strategic bet